So now we are going to learn how to install and run a C program into your machine. Uh, so I guess my screen is visible to you. Okay. So first thing you need to do is go to your browser. Most of you might be using Chrome browser, and it is preferred that you do it on your PC. If you are watching this lecture from your mobile phone, you need not do this. Your mobile phone will have an app called C compiler or C programmer that you can install. But this is the procedure we have to do. Everyone has to do it at the end of the day because the exams will be conducted in code block. So basically, we have to have practice on code block software. So first thing you have to type into the Google a command called code blocks. It's CODEBLOCKS. Code blocks. When you type and press enter, you will reach or land on this kind of page. So let me give you a minute to do this. Okay, so I hope you have done that. Now you have to see, you are clicking on the first block saying that codeblocks.org, and you come to this page which shows codeblocks.org front screen. And this is the same screen I got just 1 hour ago. So you should also see the same screen. But maybe those who are watching this lecture later might have a different screen. So currently it should be the same screen you should see onto your computer. So once you click on this, find a button called downloads, okay, on top here somewhere. Okay. So once you find the download button, yeah, somebody sharing the screen. Uh, okay, let me reshare. Okay. So you once you see this download button, uh, you have to click on the binary release. So click on the downloads button and click on the binary release. Now, what is a binary release? Basically, that is an executable file. Source code is the basic of that program. So basic program behind that file. So code block itself is the application written with some coding, and that coding is open source. So it is giving you option of downloading the source code. We generally as a user firstly try to see if there is any binary file available for us which can run directly. So you have to click on download, and then it will bring you to this page. Once you click on this, you can choose any version. I chose the first one, CodeBlocks 20.03, Windows XP Vista. So I was having Windows 10, so I choose the first option here on the top, and then it brought me to this menu, and then I chose the first one. Out of that, I chose SourceForge.net. So SourceForge.net, and once you click that, you should land up on this page. Okay, so now those are who are having a slow internet connections will take some time. It is roughly 35.715 MB file. I had this third-party downloader, Download Accelerator Plus, that allowed me to download in parts, and then it joins. But you can have your time, so you will need some time to download this 35 MB setup. Those who have already done it, I don't know why they did it earlier, but if they got some link from some other classmates, it's okay. Uh, so I will give you some time here, and I will stop the recording also so that others can see. And
So
if you have any doubts, you can share your screen and show me what is.